Hi there, this is Roman and it's Marketing Watch House. And today we're going to talk about basic stuff about the campaign settings. Actually, it's a little bit complicated and I'm not going to talk with you about all campaign settings we have, only about the important one. And I will recommend this video to those who has less than 1 year of experience in SEM or doesn't have any experience. So let's get started. When you create your campaign in Google Ads, you have several different settings that you have to fill. You have the campaign name, campaign status, and the goal. I personally recommend you to use the same naming convention for your campaign name and to set up what this campaign name is about, what network do you use, and I don't know, what region, what language, everything is important. And put it always in the same position. Campaign status is very easy, it's enabled, paused, or removed, and when it's removed, it's removed. Campaigns does not come back from removed status. You also have a goal. Goal is something that gives Google an opportunity to understand what do you want to achieve with your campaigns. I never actually tested the goal on a big amount of on big numbers. I don't recommend to use it because I never use it and my campaigns works really good. But you can try there and you can set up the leads or sales depending on what you have, but only when you have tracking installed in your Google Ads. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just set up no goal selected. Networks is the question whether you wanted to talk about Google Search Network, search partners, or you also wanted to use a display. My recommendation would be always set up Google Search Networks and search partners, because that will give you a lot of good traffic, and never combine display network and search network in the same campaign. This is the BPC best practices rule number 0. Never combine them together. Display should be turned off always. Everything else is much more interesting. So we have location, languages, budget, bidding that I'm not going to cover in this video because it's a very complex topic. Start and update, that is very easy. And you also have additional settings that you should push actually. When you go through campaign settings, very important. I don't know why they are additional. They are very crucial. So let's get started. Location settings is rule number 1 you have to understand. You will be asked where you wanted to make your advertising and what you wanted to exclude from advertising. In this particular example, you see that I'm targeting the whole United States and I'm excluding New York and San Francisco. And I'm also including 2 San Franciscos. One is Bay Area and one is just California. One is city and one is region. When you create the targeting, you can pick up the big pie and exclude some small pieces of the pie to make them working separately. What I never recommend you to take a really big regions. If your business is located in the United States, you'd better never have only one campaign that is targeting the whole United States. You should separate them by states with the highest demand, with the highest amount of search queries, and control them separately. Because in different states, you will see different time that gives us the best conversions, different weather that affects the people that will buy or not buy, and different conversion rate. Because in some states, you will have a very good price position, and other you will have not very good. And you also have 2 different questions that Google asks you. What do you define by target? Do you interested in the people that are not in the United States but looking for United States? And I would say you no. I'm not interested in Google thinking about whether I want to go to United States, I'm going to be there. I really want to pay for those people that are actually there right now, right here, and I can sell them my product today. Another thing is the budget settings. Budget is very simple. The only thing you have to consider that when you put some budget there, it does not guarantee you that this will be your spend today. This is the limit for your day spent on average for 30 days. So be careful if you put money regularly and you want to actually do Google to spend only 200, you have to control it by yourself. And you also have 2 different delivery methods. One is standard that will distribute your money throughout the period and guarantee that will guarantee that you're going to have the clicks in the morning, in the day, and in the night, but you're going to miss some auctions. And accelerated gives the opportunity to participate in all auctions you can participate, but you probably will have your campaign stopped by lunchtime. I prefer to use accelerated when I wanted to test stuff because I don't believe Google guessing the right options from the first try. I wanted to accelerate the stuff to see how it works, and then when I find the best budget, when I put the correct bidding strategy, I will probably move to standard. Ad rotation is another interesting topic. Ad rotation used to have 4 different options, but today it's only 2. Optimize for better performing ads, or do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. So if you have conversion tracking inside your Google Ads account, you should start to use optimize and prefer best performing ads. And it actually works really good. When I started doing SEM, it wasn't the best practice. People used to use do not optimize because that performed better. But today, actually, I've tested several times, optimize really works good. If you don't have conversion tracking, I'm not sure. You should actually start with do not optimize to find the best ads and to write them manually. And then when you have a lot of good ads in most of your ad groups, you can switch to optimize to gain even more clicks and even more conversions. Campaign URL is also a topic, very interesting topic. It's under the hidden section in the campaign settings. I've covered it completely in my other video, so you can find the link below this video and just go there and go through tracking templates if you actually want to use it. But if you just started using Google Ads and you've never gone through such things like different scripts or biddings or different tracking templates, I would not recommend you to do it from the very beginning. So just skip this section. It won't affect your Google Ads campaign directly. And the last recommendation I would give you is that if you have several offices, or you have a lot of people working for you, or you have lazy people working for you, I would really recommend you to exclude IPs of your offices so your employees will never click on your ads because they actually won't buy. Like, they can find your site from different ways, from bookmarks or from SEO, but you don't want to pay for that. So it's really recommended to exclude your offices from the list so you can save money and your employees won't just take this money from your pocket without any conversions. That's all I wanted to say you. I know this is a little bit complicated and you want more examples. I'm trying to do more videos and more interaction videos so you can get through it and to find new insights for you. Please ask your comments below in the comment section, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Bye bye.